Welcome to our channel. If you're a service professional looking to verify your Angi contractor account and start connecting with customers, follow these detailed step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit angi.com/contractors or angileads.com and click Join as a Pro to begin the contractor registration process. Step 2. Create your account by providing your business information, including your company name, business type, and the services you offer to customers. Step 3. Provide your personal contact information, including your full name, email address, phone number, and the primary service area where you operate your business. Step 4. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a verification email from Angi and clicking the confirmation link provided in the message. Step 5. Complete your business profile by adding detailed information about your services, experience, qualifications, and any specializations you offer. Step 6. Upload proof of licensing and insurance as required by Angi and your local regulations. This may include contractor licenses, business licenses, and liability insurance certificates. Step 7. Provide your business tax information, including your employer identification number, EIN, or social security number for tax reporting purposes. Step 8. Pass a background check by consenting to Angi's screening process. This helps build trust with customers and is required for all contractors on the platform. Step 9. Set up your payment method for Angi subscription fees and pay-per-lead costs. Enter your credit card or bank account information for billing. Step 10. Wait for Angi to review and verify your contractor profile, licenses, and background check results. This process typically takes a few business days. Step 11. Once verified, optimize your profile by adding photos of your work, customer reviews, and pricing information to attract more leads and grow your business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.